Needs to go in further. Two washers. Flush again. Where's the snap ring at? We are almost deep enough. Not quite there. That thing is really in there deep. I got about 3/4 of a hole. What are you looking at? I got about 3/4 of the hole I can see in there. The groove for it to go into. Ain't quite enough. I need 3 washers. I only have 2. We still got some more room to go down yet. We're not there yet. Oh yeah, we're still good. That looks better. It might go. It's close. Got our retention device. I think we're good. My small screwdriver. Smaller screwdriver fits better. And she's definitely tight. Clip's not quite all the way in there correctly, but looks like it's all the way in, but not quite. Alright, there's our retention clip in there. Should be good. Boom, boom. Likey. Okay, then we have a fork spring. Oh, it's too long. Now what are we going to do? Oh, we got to stretch the fork tube and make it longer. Yeah, we stretched the fork. Okay, we have a thick washer, flange nut. Washer came with something else, came out of the fork. That was actually part of the one that was in there. That's part of the original fork kit. We should use that on something else. Alright. We now have tension on it. Just like we're supposed to. That's good. That's bad. I think it's going to hit me in the head when I'm not looking. Good. Alright. Washer. Nut. Chingus. Alright. by myself here again, so I'm going to have to do this by myself. Yeah. There we go. Until it stopped. Why did it stop? Hard stop. It's a Harley nut. I haven't tried putting this in there yet. Appears it doesn't fit. Nope, it fits this way. Okay, that means we got some other problem. Okay. Washer's a little big. There's a step in there at the end of the thread. Just a little bit too big. The nut does fit though. So nut first, then washer. Okay. The problem is this nut has a lot of sharp edges on it, which I don't really want to be on the spring. So let's see if we have another nut that does not have the locking feature on it. The smooth nut. Nope. These appear to be all the same. So we're going to have to go fix this problem. It's called, we're going to go back here and grind it smoother. She's smoother. Not perfectly smooth, but smooth enough. Alright, make sure you clean the grinding grit off so there's no grinding grit. See, now it's nice and smooth, kinda. It won't eat on the spring so bad. We don't want to be eating on the spring here without this. So, it's more, not quite so go aggressive. I think it'll be fine. It's going to have to be. Okay, this one has an oil hole in it. Yep. So we can put oil through the top, so I don't have to put oil in it right now, which is a good thing, because I don't want to do that. Okay, put the nut in correctly. Different spring. Big fat washer goes in next. There we go. Alright, she's in there. Oh, you weren't watching me. I was working. I was going like this, tightening. Alright. So now I have no way of tightening this because I don't have anything I can tighten with. So I have to do it the old-fashioned way. It's called a hammer and a crescent wrench. So the shock will hold that on there. And it's tight. There you go. Okay. One modified fork tube. Okay. Alright. So, we need to put oil in it. But I can do that after it's put in the bike. Ugh, I'm tired. I'd rather see if it fits first before I put oil in it. It took me about half hour to find out how much oil it takes in that stupid Indian book. 11.5 ounces of special Indian oil. Yeah. That's all they told you. Special Indian oil. Great. Okay, we'll be back.